Welcome to Weje, a multifunctional service designed for collecting, storing, and structuring information. In this video, we'll explore the org chart template. After logging in, you're taken to your workspace, where you can create a new board or select one of the suggested templates. To create an org chart whiteboard, select the appropriate template in the template bar, set your own name for the board, and click Create. The template consists of a classic hierarchical structure where each employee is assigned to a group based on department and supervisor. The template contains employee cards. Each card has an image of an employee, their position, and contact information. All cards are united by connections depending on job position. You can completely change the template depending on the structure of your company. To add a new employee card, simply copy an existing card and make the necessary changes. You can also create a new card using the service tools or by pressing the C hotkey. After creating a card, enter the contact information and upload an employee's photo in the card. Set the color of the card and drag it to the appropriate group, indicating the connection with the manager. On your org chart board, you can upload your organization's statute or job descriptions for employees. The easiest way to do this is with a Google Doc. Just paste the link to the file right onto the board. The file must have read permissions set on the link. Via the board properties, you can invite your colleagues or other Weje users to a board with a completed template. To invite another user to the board, you need to specify their email in the Share field. To receive an invitation, the user must be registered in the service. Select the user property and click the Invite button. Access to the board can be provided through a link. To do this, click on the Public button and select the property for the invited user. Copy and send the link. The link will allow even a non-registered user to access the board. The filled-out whiteboard can be copied entirely. Through the board property, click on the Create Copy button. The copied board will appear in the general list of boards. This can be very useful if you frequently use this template. Weje allows you to create an org chart either from scratch or with a suggested template. You can invite your colleagues in the ready-made boards to build the company structure together.